Google Sheets is Google's spreadsheet app. It has many different uses, but there are two general ways to get your data or information on Sheets. The first way is to simply type information or data into the spreadsheet. The second way is to collect your information in a Google form, which can transfer automatically into a Google Sheet. Either way, once the information is in your spreadsheet, you can sort, filter, format, or even create charts and tables based on your data. Because Google Sheets is a live doc, you can share the sheet with staff members. For example, you could get emergency contact information from the staff and share the sheet with your administrators or department chairs. Or you could share food allergy or preference information with PTSA for event planning purposes. Once they have access to the sheet, they'll always have the most up-to-date version of any data entered. Using Google Sheets can help you collect, track, and share information quickly and easily. Check out our micro courses on Sheets to learn about the different features you can use for collaboration and productivity.